Hello friends, today we will study about the muscles of gluteal region, and in muscles of gluteal region we will study about gluteus maximus, gluteus medius and gluteus minimus muscle. So first, gluteus maximus. So this is a large powerful quadrilateral muscle covering the posterior surface of pelvis. Origin of gluteus medius is outer slope of dorsal segment of iliac crest, posterior gluteal lines, sacrotuberous ligament, fascia covering gluteus medius, aponeurosis of erector spine. You can write only two or three origin of gluteus maximus. It will be sufficient. So first is the outer slope of dorsal segment of iliac crest. Second is the posterior gluteal lines. Third is the sacrotuberous ligament. Fourth, fascia covering gluteus medius, and last is the aponeurosis of erector spine. Now, insertion of gluteus maximus. The deep fibers of the gluteus maximus, the deep fibers of the lower part of muscles of gluteus maximus are inserted into the gluteal tuberosity, and the higher part of the muscles are inserted into iliotibial tract. Lower part of the muscles of gluteal maximus are inserted into gluteal tuberosity, and higher part of muscles of gluteus maximus is inserted in iliotibial tract. Nerve supply, it is inferior gluteal nerve. And axon, gluteus maximus, it is the chief extensor of thigh at the hip joint, and this axon is very important in rising from sitting position. It is also a lateral rotator of thigh. It helps in the lateral rotation of thigh as well as adduction of thigh also. Second is gluteus medius. This muscle, it is a fan shaped and it covers the lateral surface of pelvis. Gluteus maximus covers the posterior surface of pelvis, and that was a powerful quadrilateral muscle. This gluteus medius, it is a fan shaped and covers the lateral surface of pelvis. Origin, it is originated from gluteal surface of ilium between anterior and posterior gluteal lines. And insertion, it is inserted into the greater truncator of femur on oblique ridge on lateral surface. Into the greater truncator of femur on oblique ridge on the lateral surface. The nerve supply is superior gluteal nerve, and the action of gluteus medius and minimus are almost same. In fact, origin and insertion are also same only. So the action of gluteus medius and minimus are the powerful abductors of thigh. Their important action is to maintain the body balance when the opposite foot is off the ground. Now last is the gluteus minimus. It is also fan shaped, but it is covered by gluteus medius. Origin, gluteal surface of ilium between anterior and inferior gluteal lines. In gluteal medius, the origin was gluteal surface of ilium between anterior and posterior gluteal lines. Here, anterior and inferior gluteal lines. It is inserted into the greater truncator of femur on oblique ridge on the lateral part of anterior surface, and the nerve supply is also same, that is superior gluteal nerve, and the action is also same, that the gluteus medius and minimus are a powerful abductor of thigh. They maintain balance of the body when the opposite foot is off the ground. That's all about the muscles of gluteal region. Thank you.